The last two workshops we have done a half day where we were looking at the city and how the children could take possession of their community and then improve it in the future. So future modes of transport, and with those future modes of transport, what the implications would be to their streetscape.
It's quite hard to plan the models in a way that make them. So because I'm not very good at like drawing 3D stuff, so it's quite hard to slot it all together and make it come together.
And in the end, we figured it out because we had to put a bit in of everything everyone liked. Like Leon liked the superheroes, we put in Hulk, and Savannah liked the animals, so we put in the animals.
The aim of the programme is to ensure that as many young people as possible have an opportunity to take part in something creative, risk-taking, problem-solving in school, and through that to hopefully recognise the importance of excellent architecture to society.
So the children have been working on visualising streets of the future, so thinking about what transport would be like in the future, thinking about carless cities as well. And then today they've been building this imagined streetscape. It's kind of the most out there idea, I think.
Working with Rokesly School, we established a programme that we thought would best tie into their curriculum. What we wanted to do and encourage them to do was to articulate their ideas, vocalise it, and work in teams to improve upon those ideas, and to show how by working iteratively and listening to the input of others that you can actually get to a much better end result.
I hope that the thoughts and the ideas that these pupils have had can be taken forward in some way within this community, because the pupils are really what forms this place around us, and they really should be heard. So I hope that through filming this and actually recording what we've achieved and seeing the positive output it can make a change to this community.
I thought it was just boring, like looking at buildings while we examine buildings, but it's actually really fun. It was like so big and bold and just like fantastic. Everything was really good, like just having fun.
And animals.
Yeah.